A bag contains 3 green and 7 white balls. 2 balls are selected at random without replacement. If the second ball is given to be green, what is the probability that the first selected ball is also green? So important is to note that second ball is known to be a green ball and you have to find the probability of the first ball to be a green. So we are looking at reverse probability and so Bayes' theorem comes in use. Even in E2, two events which would make the partitions of the sample space, they need to be defined. E1 would be the first ball is green, E2 first ball is not green, in this case white, and the related event A would be second ball is green. Probability of E1 and probability of E2 are clearly defined looking at the number of favorable divided by total outcomes. So we are looking at probability of E1 3 over 10 and probability of E2 7 over 10. What would be the probability of A given that E1 has happened? So we know that the first ball is green, so one less green now for the second row. The probability of A given that E1 has happened will become same as 2 over 9. Whereas probability of A given that E2 has happened will be 3 over 9. Now what do we need to find? We need to find the probability of first ball is green given second is also green. And therefore we have to find the probability of E1 given that A has happened. To find that we have the Bayes result which says that probability of E1 given that A has happened is equal to probability of E1 into probability of A given that E1 has happened divided by probability of E1 into probability of A given that E1 has happened plus probability of E2 into probability of A given that E2 has happened. We know the value of each of these terms, so you simply have to plug those values in, simplify and get your final answer. So once we substitute, we get on simplification the answer as 2 over 9.